The Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a stunning example of how modern technology can enhance the cycling experience, especially for mountain biking enthusiasts. This electric mountain bike, featuring a 21-speed system, is designed to cater to both casual riders and adventure-seeking cyclists alike. In this review, we will delve into various aspects of the bike, including its design, performance, battery life, comfort, and overall value. At first glance, the Qlife Racer boasts a sleek and sporty design that is sure to turn heads on the trails. The frame is constructed from high-quality aluminum alloy, ensuring durability without weighing the bike down. The matte finish adds a touch of elegance while also being practical, as it resists scratches and marks. The bike is available in multiple colors, catering to different aesthetic preferences, and the overall aesthetics are complemented by well-integrated components that blend seamlessly into the design. When it comes to performance, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike does not disappoint. The 21-speed gear system allows for a wide range of options when tackling various terrains. Whether you are scaling steep hills or cruising along flat paths, the gear system enables smooth shifting, making your ride effortless. The bike is equipped with a powerful 350W motor that provides a significant boost when needed. This is particularly useful for uphill climbs or when you want to cover longer distances without exhausting yourself. One of the standout features of the Qlife Racer is its peak performance capability. The bike can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, which is impressive for an electric mountain bike. The motor is quiet and efficient, allowing you to enjoy the ride without the intrusive noise that some electric bikes produce. The bike's throttle response is immediate, offering riders a seamless transition from pedal assist to full throttle, which is excellent for those who enjoy a more dynamic riding experience. The battery life is another important consideration, especially for those planning longer rides. The Qlife Racer is equipped with a 36V lithium-ion battery that provides a range of up to 40 miles on a single charge, depending on factors like rider weight, terrain, and level of pedal assist used. The battery is removable, making it convenient for charging at home or at work. A full charge typically takes around 6 hours, which is reasonable compared to other electric bikes on the market. The battery's longevity is commendable, and it allows you to enjoy extended rides without the stress of running out of power. Comfort is a key factor when it comes to any bike, and the Qlife Racer excels in this area. The bike features an adjustable seat that accommodates different rider heights, promoting a comfortable riding position. The ergonomic handlebars are also adjustable, allowing for a customized fit that enhances rider comfort. The bike is equipped with front suspension forks that absorb shocks and bumps in the terrain, providing a smoother ride on rough paths. This feature is particularly beneficial for mountain biking, as it enhances control and stability, instilling confidence in riders tackling challenging trails. Safety is a priority for any cyclist, and the Qlife Racer includes essential safety features to ensure a secure riding experience. The bike is fitted with front and rear disc brakes, offering excellent stopping power even in wet conditions. The brakes are responsive and provide peace of mind when navigating steep descents or busy streets. Additionally, the bike comes with integrated LED lights, enhancing visibility during low-light conditions and making it safer for evening rides. In terms of assembly, the Qlife Racer comes mostly pre-assembled, which is a significant advantage for those who may not be mechanically inclined. The instructions are clear and concise, making it easier to complete the setup without professional help. Most users can have the bike ready to ride within a couple of hours. When considering value for money, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike stands out in its category. Balancing high-quality components, impressive performance, and a stylish design, it offers an excellent return on investment. While it may not be the cheapest option available, the quality and features justify the price tag. In conclusion, the Qlife Racer Electric Bike for adults is a well-designed and